GoPro's newest accessory. One of the many useful tools out there for all you GoPro users. You know, as for me, I do have mixed feelings between the GoPro cameras because sometimes they are very well handy, and you know, at times they aren't, and they are just completely forgotten in my bag. Having this kind of mount is useful in some ways, you know, specific kind of ways. You do have the ball joint to hold your camera, boom arm. The most important part is carbon fiber. Lightweight and exceptional strength, you know, 10 to 21 inches extended. Of course, it comes with the mounting buckle. Curved and flat adhesive, per usual for GoPro as well. Triangulation support slider. Hex key storage clip, pretty standard hex key. The handlebar pole mount. You know, this is what I got since I have the suction cup already. 5 rubber inserts. 5 extra hex screws. You got 3 picks on which you would like to buy with the boom. You can either get the boom with the adhesive, which is the least expensive one, it's cheaper, $70. The boom plus the suction cup, which is the most expensive one, is $110? Yeah, $110. And either the boom with the bar mount, which is the one that I got right now, and that is $100. Just depending on the mount you already have, this already works for all of them. The reason why I say that this is useful and not as handy because of its main purpose. It's a stable mount. It's pretty stable. This isn't for handheld. This is more for extreme situations where you get those crazy, weird kind of angles. Crazy angles. Yeah, that's pretty much one of the advantages for these hex keys is because they're pretty stable. They are really intact, they are really tight, and they're not moving whatsoever. But of course, you know, having this kind of extra tool kind of like defeats the purpose for having less tools of anything. But it works, and that's what's important, right? Kind of looks goofy, but it does the job. But I think the only thing that I do hate about this is that you do have to carry this spare tool, this hex tool, in that matter, but it delivers really good, very tight job on how to do it. And it's, see? Looks kind of ridiculous, but it works. It's a pretty good accessory for your GoPro. It's not that perfect, but it does the job really well. And you get to do whatever you need to do to capture your footage and do what you want to do. Made for those specific scenarios. The GoPro Boom. I saw you from across the room.